So first we'll go to your Google Drive, which is drive.google.com, drive.google.com. And there you are. Go to the drive, sign in here, and if you don't have an account, just go down here, create an account. Doesn't even take a minute to make, and you get 15 GB of space. Sign in with your username and password. Click on next, and there you go. You are now in your Google Drive. Now we'll take all the website that you made, catch the file, and drag and drop. There's where all your pictures and your videos and music and everything's in there. So just take that, drag and drop, and there's uploaded on your drive. Next thing is right click on this and go to share, and then go to change to anyone with the link. That's very important because only that way it becomes public. There's one more file you have to upload under my drive, and that is the index file, the first page of your website. Now that comes directly under my drive, not under your website. Just put it down here. That's the first page, and that comes right here under my drive, not under my website. And there again you do the same thing, right click and share and change to anyone with the link. So that's very important to make all these things public. So now you've got your files all uploaded. The advantage of putting all your files under website is that each time you upload anything, you don't have to remember to make it public. It remains public. So once the directory is public, everything under it will automatically becomes public. So you don't have to remember to do that each time. So that's the advantage of putting all your files up there, and you can upload them. Next we'll go to drv.tw, drv.tw, and then click on host on Google Drive and put in your email. It's usually there automatically. Everything's there automatically. All you have to do is allow and allow again. That's it. Just click twice. Everything's already there. And then you'll see your very first page. That one there with the slash, that means that's your index file. If you click on that, this one, just note it down, save that link. Just save that, cut and paste. And there's your index page. And on that would be the links to all your other pages which were under my website. So save this in your bookmarks. Next, copy it because you want to shorten it. It's rather difficult to remember otherwise. And here's a nifty little way of remembering it, make it short. And that's tinyurl.com. Go to tinyurl.com, paste your website, the long name, and it'll either make one for you, or you can also choose a suffix which may be available. That is yours permanently. There's no way of deleting that either. So that is yours, and it remains linked to that long URL forever. So that's yours. And if you take that, so it'll look like this somewhat, http tinyurl.com, and then whatever suffix you chose would be the shortcut to the rather lengthy URL which you had there. Now if you type that up there in the bar, tinyurl.com / whatever you chose, it will take you straight to your website. There it is. That's all there is to it.